Every jar of premium goat milk cream begins right here, on carefully managed dairy farms.
Everything must stay sterile before milking begins.
Fresh goat milk is collected using automated hygienic systems.
Quality control starts the moment milk leaves the goat.
Rapid chilling preserves the nutrients that make goat milk skincare so valuable.
These tanks hold the milk before it leaves for the skincare factory.
From farm to factory, the milk travels through sealed, sterile systems.
Once loaded, it goes straight to the skincare production facility.
The journey from fresh goat milk to luxury skincare has officially begun. Fresh goat milk must reach the skincare facility quickly to preserve its natural nutrients.
Temperature stays at 4 degrees the entire trip.
This is where farm fresh milk becomes premium skincare products.
Fresh goat milk delivery for production line 1.
Inside this facility, raw milk will undergo purification and transformation.
Slow! Keep coming! Stop there!
The milk remains sealed within sterile stainless pipelines.
Flow rate stable, sending it to processing.
Now inside the skincare factory, the transformation can begin. Behind these walls, precision manufacturing transforms natural ingredients into advanced skincare.
Production shift starting.
Cosmetic manufacturing requires strict hygiene protocols. Each stage is monitored for purity, temperature, and chemical balance.
Milk intake confirmed, starting purification soon.
Below, raw goat milk will undergo the first purification stages.
Let's check the filtration line.
Here begins the first transformation step, preparing the milk for skincare formulation. Now inside the skincare factory, the transformation can begin.
Filtration pressure is stable.
Centrifugal separation refines the milk for cosmetic-grade purity.
Clean and consistent.
Strict testing ensures every batch meets skincare production standards.
Batch approved for pasteurization.
Gentle pasteurization removes bacteria while preserving natural skin nutrients.
Holding temperature steady.
Rapid cooling protects the delicate proteins used in skincare formulas.
Milk purification complete.
Controlled agitation ensures a smooth base for skincare cream.
Milk base entering the formulation mixer. Next step, moisturizing oils.
Essential vitamins help nourish and protect the skin.
Formula balance confirmed.
Emulsification binds oils and milk into a stable cream.
Perfect texture forming. Sending batch to homogenization.
Temperature control preserves the active skincare ingredients.
Homogenizer pressure building.
High-pressure homogenization creates the silky texture found in luxury skincare creams.
Texture stabilized.
Removing air ensures long shelf life and smooth application.
Deaeration complete.
Final refining ensures a luxurious, smooth finish.
Just a hint of natural scent. Final texture approved.
The finished cream is now ready for automated packaging.
Filling line ready.
Precision filling guarantees consistent product quality.
Levels confirmed.
Automated systems maintain hygiene and speed.
Seal pressure perfect. Traceability confirmed.
Automation increases efficiency while maintaining product safety.
Packaging complete. Pallets ready to be loaded.
Automation ensures secure and efficient pallet formation.
Shrink wrap complete.
Every shipment is verified for quality assurance.
Safe storage confirmed.
Efficient organization allows fast retrieval and dispatch.
Ready for distribution.
Products are now ready to reach customers worldwide.
Perfect alignment. Load the next one.
And this is how modern factories produce goat milk cream from start to finish.